So, hi guys, I'm back again. So, I'm going to present my personality test result. So, yeah. So, first, openness to experience 16, consciousness 50, extroversion 43, 31 agreeableness and lust, natural reaction 57. So, based on my personality test, I'm someone who likes routines and practical ideas more than trying new or unusual things. I'm fairly organized and responsible, though I don't always push for perfection. Yeah, perfection. I can be social when needed, but also enjoy time alone. I tend to be direct and independent rather than overly agreeable. But sometimes I get emotional or stressed. But I usually manage it well. Overall, I'm realistic, balanced, and focused on getting things done by way. So next is my IQ test result. My IQ test result is RJ 105 and 121, which means intelligence is in the average to above average. This this suggests I have good problem solving and reasoning skill, and I can understand new concept fairly quickly. It it also shows that I can handle logical tasks and patterns better than most people. However, since the test was short, the score is just